Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I made Blender Apple Muffins. These are great for breakfasts, they're great for snacking, and they're great for lunches. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned, it's coming up next. Okay, what you need is, we'll start with the dry ingredients, 2 cups of sifted flour, a half a cup of sugar, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice mix, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And for the moist ingredients, you need a 1/4 cup of melted shortening or cooking oil, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup milk, and 1 1/2 cups coarsely chopped unpeeled apple. You also need a blender, a muffin tin, and the muffin papers if you choose. Okay, let's get started. In a large bowl I put my flour and the sugar, baking powder, pumpkin pie spice mix, and salt. And I'm just going to mix that up until it's completely blended. And then we'll get started on the wet ingredients. Okay, in the blender I'm putting the 1/4 cup of shortening. I'm using Crisco. 2 eggs. 1/3 cup of milk, and 1 1/2 cups of coarsely chopped unpeeled apple. These are quart, and this was actually 1 large apple. Okay, I put the lid on, and on the middle button I'm going to let this go for about 10 seconds or until the apples are finely chopped. Okay, and I'm going to put the moist into the dry, and I'm going to stir this up until the dry ingredients are just moistened. Okay, I've got them all filled up to about 3/4 full, and this recipe makes 12 muffins. And they're going to go in a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. So we'll be back after it's cooked. Okay, timer just went off. So I'm going to try a toothpick in the center and make sure it comes out clean. Yes, it did. And it looks like they're ready. And there it is, all done. And it's ready to go in a lunch or eat at breakfast time. Super easy to make. I hope you give this a try. If you like this, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.